Hey, what's up? My name is Scott, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create really good content really fast using HeyGen's Video Agent. This is one of the most, if not the most, powerful AI tool that I've come across yet. And within just a few short weeks, this tool has gone from mediocre to exceptional. Now, when I tell you that this is the most dynamic AI tool that I've come across yet, you got to understand all I do is use AI all day, every day for the last 5 years for my job as well as in my personal endeavors. So I am very savvy and fluent with AI. I'm always staying up to speed with the newest tools that are coming out, and most of them are all hype. HeyGen is the cutting edge. If you're a content creator and you make video content and you don't have HeyGen, I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't waste your time and your money on other tools. In my opinion, this is the best. Period. And let me just clear the air before we dive in here. I am not paid or sponsored by HeyGen to make these videos. And yes, I do have affiliate links, which simply means that I put links in the description or in the comments section. And if you use those links and you go check it out and you like it and you buy it, I'll get a commission for sending you over. But I want to be perfectly clear. Every single AI tool on the market has an affiliate program. So if it were just about money and getting commissions, I could recommend any other tool. Synthesia, Flicky, InVideo, you name it. They all have affiliate programs. I'm recommending this because it's literally the cutting edge. It's literally the best. And it's the only one that I have, and it's the only one that I use, and I paid for a whole year. So we have our video agent right here on the home page. And so what I'm going to do is make a couple quick videos and we'll watch them together and you're going to be stunned by the quality. The first video is going to be a little bit generic. The second one is going to be a little more precise, but you're just going to see how great they come out to be. So the first video that we're going to make is going to be super simple because I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to just take a raw idea and create a winning asset that is monetizable that you could be proud to use on your social media channels. So all we do is type in a prompt. So I said, create a 1 to 2 minute video about why cats make better pets than dogs. Switch between talking head scenes and B-roll scenes, making sure the scenes match what the narrator is saying. I want a young American female to narrate. That's pretty simple and straightforward, right? So we'll go ahead and send that off. So I like everything there. The only thing is I don't really like captions on my videos. So I would just say, go ahead, but take out the captions. That's it. Perfect. So now we're ready to go and I'll just type yes. And now she's going to start creating my video. Now this is going to take anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes. It's going to take some time and it's going to make the video, but what's 10 minutes, right? So now the agent is starting to make the video based on the instructions that I provided and then approving the brief that the agent sent to me. All right, so while that video is generating, I'm going to get started on the next one that I'm going to demo for you. Now, this video is going to be a little bit more detailed. We're going to go nuanced. We're going to give it some instructions. I'm going to select the avatar that I want. We're going to add a logo so that it's branded. So check it out. I'm starting off here in ChatGPT. I have a chat that I made where I provided a knowledge base about the company that I work for. So, by the way, I work for an SEO company called SEO Local, formerly Blackwood Productions or Blackwood Productions, which will now take you to the new website, SEO Local. So I created a knowledge base that tells ChatGPT pretty much everything about the company that I work for. And in that chat, I gave it a simple prompt. Based on the knowledge base that I provided, create a prompt for HeyGen Agent to make a video about what makes our SEO technology excel. And so here's what it gave us. This beautiful prompt that's rich with specific and accurate details about our company. And this is not a video script. This is a prompt for HeyGen Agent. So we're going to use this prompt, and all we have to do is copy and paste it. All right, so just a little update. It's been 5 minutes, and we're 78% done. So we're getting there. I'll go ahead and pause again, and we'll come back and check it out. All right, so the video is done. It took almost 7 minutes exactly, and I have not watched this yet. So we're going to watch it right now together. So let's check it out.
Today, we're exploring why cats often make perfectly better companions than dogs for many households.
Did you notice how she said perfectly?
Today, we're exploring why cats often make perfectly better companions than dogs for many households.
It almost sounds like she made a mistake, right? But actually, it was quite clever.
Today, we're exploring why cats often make perfectly better companions than dogs for many households. Cats are renowned for independence, requiring less supervision and exercise than dogs. This self-reliance means they are content with indoor living, ideal for busy people or small spaces. Their grooming habits contribute to low maintenance, keeping themselves clean without baths. This cleanliness reduces chores and keeps your home smelling fresh. Cats are suited for apartment living, adapting to smaller environments without large yards or daily walks. Their compact size and quiet nature make them less likely to disturb neighbors, excellent for urban dwellers. Unlike dogs, cats are quiet, using soft meows or purrs rather than loud barking. This makes them ideal for tranquil homes and less boisterous pets. Often seen as aloof, cats offer deep affection, comforting purrs and cuddles. Their love is earned, creating a unique, rewarding bond less demanding than constant attention. Cats have fewer health issues requiring vet visits, leading to lower care costs. Robust health and independence make pet ownership more economical and less stressful. From playful antics to soothing presence, cats bring joy without overwhelming your lifestyle. If you're considering a new pet, remember why a cat might be perfect for your home.
Well, that was pretty much perfect, wasn't it? And look at the attention to detail. First of all, the B-roll where they showed the cat playing on the thing and running in the apartment. I mean, it was all perfect, flawless. I mean, flawless visuals. The visuals matched what she was saying perfectly. And then look at the little cat on her t-shirt. I mean, it's just perfect. Now just use your imagination. Let's say you're a shorts creator. How many videos like this could you crank out a day? 30, 20, 50? Easily. And this will win on social media. These videos will win on social media. You will get views. You will get monetized. This is excellent quality content right here. First try, perfect. Perfect. It just blows me away. And I'm not worried about it because I know how to use the AI. It's the people who don't know how to use the AI that are going to find themselves out of a job. All right, so let's go ahead with the next video. All right, we'll come back over here to Chat GPT. And all I'm going to do now is simply copy and paste this prompt. So I'll just grab it right up to here. We'll head back over to HeyGen. I'll go ahead and Control V to paste my prompt. Now I'm going to make a few specific settings on this one. So I'm going to click on speaker. And then I'm going to select my avatar, SEO Sarah. This is the face of our brand. I'm going to say I want it to be about 2 minutes long. And I have my SEO logo here. Now that's in. And click enter. Now she's going to think for a minute and then provide me with a brief. And once I approve that brief, we're good to go. So we'll just take a quick glance at her brief. Everything looks fantastic. So now all we have to do is type yes. And again, this is probably going to take about 7 minutes to create. But you see how I was actually able to customize this video a little bit because I'm putting my logo I chose the avatar that I want to use, which is really important if you're making branded content. Which, by the way, if you notice, when I was selecting my avatar, you could see my clone up there too. So I could just choose myself and then use my voice and my face to create this video. And I could just select myself as the speaker. And now, whatever the video is, it's going to be my face and my voice speaking the words and standing in front of the camera. And I could just give it a prompt and say, remove the background and put a picture of the jungle behind me. Now I'm able to do that in the AI Video Studio, which is the actual editor, where you have more hands-on control, or I could just do it right here in the AI Video Agent, and it's almost perfect every time. And if ever it turns out not to be as great as you hoped it would, all you got to do is click on your projects. Like this is the one we just made, right? Cats are better than dogs, right? And now I can edit this video in the editor. But since our video is done, right, we're going to go ahead and check this out. Again, I have not watched this yet. And again, I'm going to have to unplug my microphone. So we'll watch it together and then I'll come back and we'll wrap this up.
Hi, I'm here from SEO Local, powered by Blackwood Productions. If you're a business owner tired of slow, expensive SEO agencies that promise the world but deliver little, you're in the right place. Our technology has been outperforming traditional SEO for over 22 years. Yes, more than 2 decades of proven results. What sets us apart? We automate over 90% of the heavy lifting: content creation, silo structuring, internal linking, and contextual backlinking. No more relying on freelancers or manual writing that drains your budget. It's all handled by our smart engine, saving you time and money. Our powerful private link network connects your site to over 55,000 real category-specific websites with contextual do-follow links that Google loves. Natural and Trustworthy Plus, our diamond-shaped content silos powered by Brawn, build automated clusters around your keywords, creating high-quality pages that rank fast. And with CADE, we generate real-time blog content based on your competitors' analysis, complete with schema, images, FAQs, and more. Integration is instant via our plugin, secure, fast, and lightweight, with nothing stored in your back end. Our network is self-maintaining. If you ever unplug, everything auto-removes in 3 days to keep things safe. See fast results. Local rankings in 7 to 30 days, national in 4 to 18 months. It's designed for service businesses like law, medical, and home services, delivering predictable improvements. Agencies love us. White label your dashboard and charge premium fees while we handle fulfillment. Ready to experience automated SEO that works? Learn more, request a demo, or start onboarding today at seolocal.com. Let's boost your rankings together.
Wow. Did you guys see how perfect those visuals were? I mean, it was flawless. There wasn't a single mistake. Everything she said was factually accurate, which isn't surprising because I created the prompt based on a knowledge base that has factual information in it. But what I was really impressed by in that video was just how accurate the visuals were. All the little elements, the little graphics, and the little text that they put up on the screen. Flawless, not a single mistake, not even a small mistake. Perfect. Like you would pay a video editor $30 to $50 minimum to create that video right there. And it took 7 minutes or so to make from a prompt, from a freaking prompt. You guys saw what I did. I had a 1 sentence prompt based on a knowledge base that I built in ChatGPT. And 7 minutes later, voila, I've got this perfect video. For all the haters out there that want to throw shade, all I got to tell you is this, bro. I could promote any tool out there. I promote HeyGen because it is the best. It is the cutting edge. It's the best price, the best features, the most accurate, the highest quality, the fastest speed. It is the best. And as we head into 2026, this is the only AI video tool that I have. I've got 11 labs, I got ChatGPT, I've got Grok, and that's all I use. Those tools right there. And by the way, you're not limited to vertical content here. You can automate long form content the same way. It's a different process of putting the pieces together. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do that, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to make that video for you. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in checking this out, please use my link. It doesn't cost you anything extra. There's no obligation to buy, and you can try it for free. You get to test drive it before you purchase it. And if you don't like it, you don't have to buy it. And if you buy it and you change your mind, you can cancel it at any time. And by using my link, it helps me out. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.